Unvetted carriers put your freight at risk. We know a better way.
In the freight industry, vetting carriers is crucial, especially when it comes to smaller truckload options like cargo vans and box trucks. However, existing vetting systems fall short, leaving brokers vulnerable to fraud, theft, and unreliable service. But there's a way to close this gap and ensure that every shipment is handled with the utmost security and efficiency. Carrier vetting is essential in the freight industry, but most systems are designed for full truckload carriers like semis and flatbeds, regulated by the FMCSA. The problem? Small truckload carriers like cargo vans and box trucks don't fall under these regulations. This gap in regulation leaves brokers with limited data, forcing them to rely on unreliable sources or gut feelings. The stakes are high. Without proper vetting, you risk fraud, theft, poor service, and ultimately damaged customer relationships. In our industry, you have to do everything you can to minimize these risks. At Expedite All, we've built a customized vetting process specifically for small truckload carriers. Every cargo van, box truck, straight truck, and driver in our network goes through a rigorous selection process and onboarding process to ensure reliability and safety. Our process starts with in-depth interviews and background checks where we verify driving records, licenses, and vehicle conditions. Regular vehicle inspections are required to ensure our network is always in optimal shape. For temperature-controlled vehicles, we go even further. Reefer units are tested and temperature is monitored to ensure the perishable goods never perish. At Expedite All, continuous monitoring is the standard. We track every piece of equipment and all of the freight we handle in real time. We always know where the trucks are, whether they're loaded, and if they're following optimal routes. Continuous monitoring helps us ensure your freight is always in safe hands. Expedite All also ensures that drivers are well trained and meet the highest performance expectations. Each driver in our network passes a course on industry standards and safety procedures, and their performance is evaluated regularly to ensure they meet our expectations. This helps us guarantee that only the best drivers are on the road for us and for you. At Expedite All, we don't just save you time, we eliminate the risks of fraud and theft that have become so prevalent in our industry in recent years. Our vetting process guarantees that your freight is handled by trustworthy professionals, resulting in over 99% on-time performance. You get peace of mind knowing your shipments are secure and your business is protected. Don't leave your freight in the hands of unvetted strangers. Trust Expedite All's small truckload network for safe, secure, and fast deliveries. Contact us today to experience the difference.